Hello there, people. Welcome back to my channel. So, I love how technology has the potential to physically, socially, mentally, and intellectually improve our lives as human beings and actually make our world a better place to live in. So, today in this video, I'm diving into the world of innovations and technology with the countdown of top 10 coolest inventions of the 21st century. So, whether you're a young adult, a teenager, or just a young person at heart, there's something about inventions that is going to absolutely amaze and inspire you. So, let's jump right into it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button because by your contribution, that's how I know, oh, these guys are actually interested in something like this, and it will inspire me to actually create more content like this. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. At number 10, we have the 3D printer. It was actually invented by Chuck Hull in 1984, but it was truly revolutionized in the 21st century. So Hull created the first working 3D printer and imagined it would allow rapid prototyping, helping manufacturers create parts faster and more efficiently. All right, so every single piece that you see right here were actually created through 3D printers. So take a look at this one, for example. You can see like it's a plastic thing or a plastic toy, but it is actually created through 3D printing. Now, there's a motor inside here, and it seems like its purpose is to like turn around, but it's actually amazing how things can be invented through 3D printing. And there's a switch here. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. It's nice. So, something that really fascinates me about 3D printing is that we can actually create organs to help humans. Now, take a look at this one. So this is a heart. It's not a real heart, but it's an image of a heart. Today, 3D printing is used in healthcare to print prosthetic limbs. In the automotive industry, it's used for parts, and in the culinary world, it's used to create intricate food designs. Imagine being able to print your own phone case at home. How cool is that? Hey folks, so I'm heading to view the 3D printers and I have someone who's going to introduce them to me. Anyways, let's go. Hey, how are you doing?
Hey, I'm good. How are you?
I'm well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yes,
Come on in.
Thank you so much.
All right, so welcome to what we call our 3D printing lab. This is where we have a couple of 3D printers and a laser engraver. The main one that we use is the Bamboo Lab XE1. It's a lot nicer than our previous one. It's very, very user-friendly. So this is the actual printer. You can change out the plate depending on what filament you're printing with.
Gotcha.
It does have inside a camera as well, so it will do like a time lapse. You can do different types of infill. So what we call infill is you can kind of see this pattern here. The walls are not solid when you 3D print something. It's to save on filament, but there's different types of infill that have different like integrity and use different amounts of filament. Some are more efficient than others. Sometimes you might want to pick something that has more filament because you're doing something and it needs to be more sturdy. And then it comes with this AMS. So this is sort of like a feed that has multiple filaments. So you can actually do a single print with multiple colors and it'll automatically swap between filaments so you don't have to.
3D printing is used to print three-dimensional objects by layering on materials.
Pretty great. Yeah, and then we also have this this little ender here as well. So when Martin is doing multiple print jobs for people, he can be more efficient and have a bunch of them running. We mostly print in black and white, but you know, if you're gonna paint your print job, it works pretty well. If you need anything that requires specialty filament, like carbon filament or like carbon fiber, or resin. We don't have resin printers, so Martin will refer you out to the L3 Harris Student Design Center. And then we do also have a laser engraver here if you have any questions about that one. So the laser engraver is available to use on an appointment basis. This is the engraver itself, and then this is what we use to filter all the smoke and the fumes. It is on risers, so that if you have something particularly tall, you would be able to like put it in the bottom and still engrave it. because the original size of the engraver is not like. There's a little camera inside the laser etcher, so that just gives us an approximate idea of where we're putting our shape or design that we're engraving.
Yeah.
So I'm going to set the thickness, which is the thickness of our material, so that tells the laser where to focus to cut. In this case, it's 3 millimeters because it's a 3 millimeter laser. So in order to engrave, you need to set a combination of speed and power. The slower the laser goes, the longer it lingers, so the darker the line is going to be. And then of course the power, the higher the power, the darker the line is going to be. So I have like a little swatch here that I use as like a quick reference. 70% power, it's 143, and that's in millimeters per second. And then we're just going to resize this so it fits inside the star. Perfect. And then for the star, where we want to cut. And so for cutting, we typically do high power, low speed. In this case, it'll be 100, and the speed is 4 millimeters per second. And I have that memorized only because I do this stuff all the time.
Okay. And do you know how long that one will take?
Like maybe 2 minutes or so.
20 minutes or so?
No, 2 minutes or so.
2 minutes, really?
Yeah, it's not going to take long.
Fast.
It's not going to take long.
Okay. And how big is that?
So that is 6 by 5 centimeters.
Gotcha. Okay. It's good. It's good.
And then framing is what shows you where it is actually going to appear on the material, just because the camera does have some distortion. So even though on the screen it looks like it's positioned in a place, it could be off just by a few millimeters, which if you're trying to use your material very efficiently, it kind of matters a lot. So framing, we push a button and then the laser is going to just kind of trace the predicted path.
Yeah. Now imagine being able to print your own phone case at home. How cool is that? And if you're into gaming or cosplay, you can even create your own custom accessory at home, talking about bringing your imagination into life. We can start smelling something.
Yep, that's the smoke.
Yeah.
Since the laser burns too planted. Your stuff will be accurate. The engraving will appear on the cut exactly where you wanted it to. So nothing shifts around. So you can really get a sense of how nice and sharp and clean the edges are. That's one of the things I love about this.
Coming in at number 9 is the smartphone. While the first mobile phone was invented by Martin Kappa in 1973, it was Steve Jobs' introduction of the iPhone in 2007 that truly changed the game.
iPhone. Today, Apple is going to reinvent the phone.
So Jobs envisioned a device that combined a phone, an iPod, and an internet communicator. So smartphones have become our personal assistants, entertainment hubs, and social connectors. Can you even imagine a time before selfies and Snapchat? So whether you are video chatting with family across the globe or just catching up on your favorite videos on YouTube like this one, smartphones have actually made our lives more connected and convenient. Number 8 on our list is the electric car. Wow, I love them. So thanks to pioneers like Elon Musk and companies like Tesla, electric vehicles have come from a futuristic dream to a practical reality. So Musk founded Tesla with a vision of creating electric cars that are better, quicker, and more fun to drive than gasoline cars. So these cars are not only eco-friendly but also packed with cutting-edge technology. They have helped reduce carbon emissions and are paving the way for a sustainable future. Self-driving features, anyone? Anyways, and what is the best part? The best part is you can drive past gas stations and wave goodbye to high fuel prices. Plus, they're super quiet, no more waking up the neighbors with a loud engine. All right, so number seven on our list is the CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing. So it was developed by Jennifer Dolan and Emmanuel Champena in 2012. I hope I didn't butcher the names. So this groundbreaking technology allows scientists to edit genes with incredible precision. These incredible scientists actually imagined a tool that could precisely cut through DNA, offering a way to correct genetic defects. So CRISPR-Cas9 has the potential to actually cure genetic diseases and even bring extinct species back to life. Has anyone ever watched Jurassic Park? Well, I have, and it's pretty cool. So, but seriously, guys, CRISPR has the potential to cure genetic diseases and even bring extinct species back to life. So it's opening doors to medical advancements we once only dreamed of. So it's like having a molecular pair of scissors that can cut out, the bad bits of our DNA. At number six, we have the Internet of Things, or the IoT. So this concept, which gained traction in the early 21st century, involves connecting everyday devices to the internet, allowing them to communicate, and it makes our lives better and easier. So the inventor of this invention actually envisioned a world where everyday devices could connect to the internet and communicate with each other. From smart homes where your fridge can order groceries for you to smartwatches that monitor your health, like this one and the Apple Watches, and your lights turning on when you walk in or just when you clap your hands like this. So from smartwatches to smart thermostats, IoT is actually making our world more efficient and interconnected. Who knew your coffee maker could be so intelligent? I didn't, but thanks to the Internet of Things. So, halfway through our list, at number five is the reusable rocket. So, it was actually spearheaded by Elon Musk and SpaceX. And the development of rockets that can, land back on Earth and be reused has actually revolutionized space travel. So, spearheaded by Elon Musk and SpaceX, Musk founded SpaceX with the vision of making space travel more affordable and sustainable. So space travel isn't just about astronauts anymore. So with reusable rockets, we are actually one step closer to being a multi-planetary species. Mars, here we come. Number four on our list is AI, or artificial intelligence. So while artificial intelligence was not particularly founded by one individual, it has been significantly advanced by so many individuals, including pioneers like Andrew and Demis. They envisioned AI systems that could learn and adapt, which goes into transforming industries. So recent advancements have made it an integral part of our daily lives. So from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to AI-driven recommendations on Netflix, AI is everywhere. Even right here, AI is right here. Alexa, what is the time?
The time is 7:09 p.m.
There you go. The time is 7:09 p.m. AI is helping us solve complex problems, automate mundane tasks, and even create art. Actually, who knows? Maybe one day we will have an AI co-host on this channel. Fun fact. So, taking on the third spot is the blockchain technology, which is best known as the foundation for cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. Blockchain provides a secure and an actual transparent way to record transactions. And the blockchain was invented by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. So blockchain was envisioned as a secure and transparent way to record transactions. It has the potential to revolutionize industries from finance to supply chain management. So it's like having a digital ledger that's virtually impossible to tamper with. So say goodbye to fraud and say hello to trust and security. Our runner-up at number two is the augmented reality or the AR. Wow, it's a famous technology that is, taking place right now. So innovators like Evan Sutherland, who created the first head-mounted display system, actually imagined AR as a way to enhance our perception of the real world. So by overlaying digital information into the real world, AR has significantly enhanced. It has enhanced our perception and interaction with our environments. Do you remember Pokemon Go? That's AR in action. And even now, we are actually playing video games through AR. So from gaming to training simulations, AI is changing the way we actually learn in school, the way we play, and the way we experience the world. So it's like living in a sci-fi movie. That's how cool AI is. And finally, I think one of the coolest inventions of this century, this 21st century, it's actually the COVID-19 vaccine. I don't know what you think, but to me, I think that's one of the coolest inventions that we have. So it was developed in record time using groundbreaking mRNA technology by companies like Pfizer, BioNTech, and Moderna. So these vaccines have saved countless lives and helped us regain a sense of normalcy. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of science. So hats off to the scientists and healthcare workers who actually made this vaccine possible. And there you have it, folks. Our top 10 coolest inventions of the 21st century. I'm curious, which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. So until next time, keep dreaming big and stay curious. Peace.